Hi guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Today we're going to show you how to install a transmission gauge on you'll be installing it on Mercedes W163, but it will be about the same procedure, guys, for all vehicles. So stay with us to see how to do that. There might be a little bit of a difference for some vehicles, but most of them will be the same. So what you need to do, that's the gauge right here. And as you can see, you need to have the whole kit with the temperature sensor right here. And most of them are made to where you can remove the plug, the drain plug on the oil pan, the transmission oil pan, and install it there. And then the black wire, of course, it's always ground. Most of the times it's ground, and the white one is the one that we will need to connect to the green connector, green wire right here, and the red is positive, black again right here is ground, and the orange one is the one when you turn the headlights on and off, so you can dim the gauge as well. It's pretty good. Stay with us to see how it works and how we're going to install it, guys. We took the center console out of there because on that ML we want to install it, okay, not on the A pillar, but we want it right there. So we think that will look pretty good, and you'll be able to see it very easy because it will be pointing towards you. And what we did is just we drilled 2 holes right here, and it went through there, and we got the wires out through an extra hole. And now what we need to do, just put it together there and connect the wires and install the sensor. So the green wire is the one that goes towards the sensor that reads the temperature. We have one super little hole right here, and you need to apply a little bit of silicone so you don't get moisture inside, especially close to the airbag module there. And you need to feed the wire down outside the vehicle, and it comes from the transmission side. So guys, you can always find a close positive and negative wire because the red one is positive. And now we have the lighter, where the lighter and the plug-in to charge your phone is on the, especially on the Mercedes, is right here. Other vehicles you have something close, and you can catch the positive and negative from there. The pink one in our case is the positive one, and you can just use those clamps. They work pretty good. You don't have to even cut the wire that way. And the brown wire is negative, and the little one is the one that you can dim when you dim the interior lights of the vehicle, so you can connect the orange wire to that one as well. Pretty simple. Okay guys, so what we did on that Mercedes, usually the drain plug is the same thread, so we just install it right there. We drain the oil and we install the sensor and extended the wires. And this one is ground. We have the proper connector, but we have electrical tape just in case so water doesn't go in. And this is the green wire that came from inside, so we're going to install electrical tape there as well, so prevent water from getting in. Usually on the transmissions on the side somewhere you might have a service port, and you just take the bolt off and install the sensor there. It depends on the vehicle usually, but that's how it is. Pretty simple, guys. You'll be able to figure it out. If you have any questions, let us know. Okay, and here is the sensor now. We turn the key on, and as you can see, right now it's 80 degrees because it's pretty cold and we haven't started the car yet. Okay, now you can even dim it with the tail, with the headlights, as you can see, like that. So stay with us, we're going to test it now and see how it works. Okay guys, we're giving it a try now, and as you can see, we've been pulling for about 2 hours, and the temperature is between 170 to 175, and outside it's pretty cold. It's about 34 degrees now, and we just pull an empty dolly now. You can see behind us, that's the dolly right there. Stay with us, we will have a 2003 Jaguar X-Type 4-wheel drive behind us, pulling it later to see what temperature we'll get. Okay guys, we're pulling the Jaguar behind us now, and that thing is pretty heavy. I think it's about 3,500 pounds. And as you can see right now, we're around 200 degrees, so it works pretty good. As you can see, you can save you a lot of trouble having that gauge, because if you see the transmission overheating, you can downshift and you can even pull over. And see, outside now it's about 46 degrees, so it works pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Hopefully the video was helpful.